like what you just saw? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to get some African fashion illustrations to be able to give you some idea of what to do with some of your Ankara materials. I have these two materials here, and I was thinking, what will I do with this? What kind of style can I sew? And I decided to come up with that. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that as somebody that sews clothes for yourself. If you're watching this video and you have some materials in the house, especially African print, and you're wondering what can you do with it, this is the video for you. So let us go ahead and let me show you how to get some ideas using ChatGPT, AIPRM, and Canva. Let's go. First, you will go to Google and type in AIPRM. And this is where we are going to, AIPRM for ChatGPT. And then you will click on that to get the AIPRM for ChatGPT Chrome extension. I already have it in my Chrome extension. That is why you're seeing remove from Chrome. So now we click to the website and it will tell you to install AIPRM for ChatGPT. And the wonderful thing about this is that you can create any prompts. This is so good, especially if you do not know how to write prompts for ChatGPT. This is what it can do. It will help you to create prompts. You want an easy way to be able to create prompts. This is so wonderful for everything, including SEO, writing of content and all that. So the AIPRM is really a time saver. So after that, we are now going to ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, just put in OpenAI, click on it, takes you here, click on try ChatGPT, and it takes you here. You can register with just an email and a password. I am already registered. I have an account. So what I have to do is to connect my OpenAI to AIPRM. Click that. Welcome to AIPRM for ChatGPT. Then I will connect it with my Google account. So this is the process. So you must have a Google account to be able to use the AIPRM. To open a Google account actually is quite easy. You can do that. There are lots of videos on YouTube to be able to open a Google account. So once you've connected it, I think there's a little error here. I have to try it again. I don't know what happens. Maybe it's my connection, but I'll try it again. Okay, I'm now connected. Then they will send me a verification link to that my Gmail account, which I have to click. This is the verification link. I have to click it, open it, and then go down and click on the link here to confirm my email, and then connect my ChatGPT with my AIPRM account. So I will just click on connect with OpenAI account, and then you see congratulations, and then I will now click on start working with ChatGPT. So let's wait for it to open. Connect OpenAI and AIPRM accounts. I'll click on continue. So it takes me back here. I don't know why, but I'll click it again. And once I do that, this is what will happen. So here, introducing AIPRM Premium. Okay, no, I'm not interested in all that. Okay, continue using AIPRM. Please read and agree to the general terms. Then I'll click there. I'll click on confirm, and boom, we are in. Thank you for your confirmation. So this is AIPRM connected to ChatGPT. So this here is my ChatGPT AIPRM prompt page. Now, once you log into your ChatGPT and you've already connected your AIPRM, this is what you're going to see. So there are a lot of prompts in this place, thousands of prompts for anything, starting from SEO content writing to prompts to make different styles, create different photos and all that. So this is so wonderful, especially if you have no idea of how to, write prompts for ChatGPT. So how do you do? What do we do next? You just go here and put MID, Midjourney. If you don't know what Midjourney is, this is not a video for Midjourney. Midjourney is actually a software that translates text to images, but you have it here in AIPRM. So once you put Midjourney, Mid here, all this will come out. So the one I like using is this particular one, Midjourney Prompt Generator. So you just go and click on it. Once you click on it, you see it comes out here and shows you, asks you for a keyword. So what I'm going to put here is double-breasted blazer dress with African prints. So let me see what is going to prompt for me. And once I do that, I'll just come here and click on start. And then it's going to give me prompts. It's going to give me 4 different prompts. Beautiful prompts. So see how fast it comes up with all these prompts. It's really amazing. It's amazing. So if it stops, you just click here to, if you want it to stop, it can stop. But if you want it to continue, and give you 4 prompts so that you can see what you can make from it. So now we have our prompts. The next stage is just to copy it. One of them start with the first prompt. I will just copy it as it is. Copy it. And then we are going to go to Canva. This is my Canva account. And then you go to apps in Canva. And we are going to look for text to image. This is the text to image. Use in a new design. Okay, video. So let's see what is going to come up with. Good. So once you are here, you just paste that prompt that we just copied from ChatGPT. I will just paste it there. And then I'll come down here and click on create image. And Canva normally will create 4 different images for you. So let's wait and see what it's going to create. The 4 images is going to create. Bam. So those are the images Canva has created for me. This number 1. Not exactly what I was looking for, but maybe I'll try the second image and see what it will come up with. This is number 2. This looks nice. This looks nice. I love that one. So let me put the last 2. So this is it. This looks like the first one. Which one have I not put? Okay, this one. This one is completely different. This one is not what I want. This one is not showing me what I want. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this prompt. And I'm going to try the second prompt and see what Canva would come up with. So we go back to our ChatGPT and I'm going to try this second prompt and see what Canva will give me. Okay, create again. So let's see what it will come up with this time around. So let's see. Okay. See, something completely totally different, but this still looks nice actually. I don't know what this one looks like. I can't even understand it. I don't know what that looks like, but this looks nice, I think. You know, so you discover that the prompts actually give you different styles that will give you wonderful ideas on what to use your material to sew. So just check out all those lovely styles. So let me just keep trying it, then I'll show you all the pictures that I've come up with. I'll do the last two and then I'll show you the pictures. So let's take a look at the prompts the pictures that the 4 prompts gave to us. Take a look at the beautiful pictures it produced. This should be able to give you ideas on what to use your Ankara to do or whatever material you want to sew. This is the power of AI. Beautiful African styles that you can use your African print to sew. With that, I've come to the end of this video, and I do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you go ahead and try AIPRM with ChatGPT to create inspirational fashion designs that will make you come up with fantastic clothes to sew for yourself or for your customers. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for more wonderful videos. Take care and ciao. Till my next video, remain blessed.